Every September, 200,000 penguins flock here to fix up their nests and breed. Life here is good. But this husband has come home to find his wife with another penguin. He flips out. His strategy is simple: batter the homewrecker until he flees. Most birds have hollow bones in their wings to make them lighter for flight. But penguins don't fly. Their flippers contain solid bone. They use them like baseball bats to club each other, delivering up to 8 blows a second. Thick blubber helps protect vital organs from the pummeling. Stalemate. The love rivals call to the female to let her decide the victor. She chooses the homewrecker. The husband stands to lose the mother of his children. He follows them home. This fight isn't over yet. With the homewrecker hiding in the burrow, the only way to get to him is with a beak attack. Penguins usually use their beaks to gouge their burrows. Now, they are gouging out eyes. The husband escalates the fight. He stands to lose more than his partner. An injured penguin is a prime target for hungry birds of prey. He makes one last plea to the female. But she's got no time for losers. Defeated and humiliated, he's left out in the cold. He'll lick his wounds and move on. In a colony of nearly 250,000, there are plenty more fish in the sea.